This is the thing with being a YouTuber at 37,882 subscribers, which, by the way, I appreciate all of you. This is the thing, is that when you want to grow the channel, I need to figure out a way to fit more clickbait stuff on my thumbnail. That's what I need. Bigger font, more icons. I'm so sorry for all you guys, but it is the eternal struggle of being a small content creator. And if I didn't have to care so much about getting people to click to watch, to figure out that the video might be good rather than just getting hidden in the thing, and I can just keep ranting. What?
Yeah, we're just dancing around that tree.
Got him. They're in the building, first floor.
Building.
He just jumped out.
Oh, I see.
Got him. No winner chicken dinner. Welcome to another video of Josh Reviews Mobile Games, the brand new series that people have been requesting nonstop. If you didn't guess yet, today's video is, can you learn to code on a mobile device, and is there any point to it? Is it efficient? Is it sufficient? Would this actually be useful if you're sitting on like a long plane ride or a bus ride, or could this actually be plausible for learning code? You're sitting in bed at night and then what is this, Xbox 360? And then there's the whole thing like, don't look at blue light at night, and I just don't know when you pull out your phone to just like start studying code real quick. I mean, do you guys
not have phones? Yeah, you guys all have phones, right?
Oh, that clip of Blizzard. So I've taken the liberty of downloading a whole bunch of apps and letting you know what I think of them and if they're any good, and some other things that, you know, some other neat little apps that I think that you should download. Let's get started. Okay, so there's two types of apps here. There's like code along apps, and then there's like mobile apps of a desktop internet app. Udemy, Coursera, EDX, Pluralsight, Udacity, they all have apps on the store, but you can't like code along or anything, you just watch the videos that you would watch on your desktop. And I'm gonna start with the crappiest ones first, at least the ones I was doing my research with. The first one is Programming Hub. This is the editor's choice. So if I click on JavaScript, for example, it says it's trending. It gives you like a little rundown of what JavaScript is. If you scroll down to the bottom, it says salary 40,000 USD per year, if you know JavaScript, basic HTML, and CSS. So I looked at the HTML one, and the HTML one told me that it's 40,000 a year and you need nothing else. So if you can get a job doing HTML for 40,000 a year without CSS, let somebody know. So this is what it looks like. You click start, and
HTML hypertext markup language forms the skeleton for all the web pages that we happily hover around these days. It provides them a
okay, and so then you eventually, after a few minutes of listening to Microsoft Samantha, you get to this little multiple choice, and then you can pick check result, congratulations, and you get like an award for everything. You get like
HTML document consists of two important parts. Document.
I can't even do this anymore. Like, it's just multiple choice, drag and drop to match the code. How is this editor's choice? Google, seriously, how much did they pay you?
JavaScript is a programming language. Isn't that cool?
Avoid at all costs. All right, let's go next up here. It was Encode. And I started working through these a little bit, and it was just reading, try the code editor, more addition, more reading. You have to write a little bit of code, which is kind of nice. The first time you actually have to like this and type out the code. It's okay. Problem with this app is it locks a lot of these optional topics behind a pro plan. So logical operators, optional pro mini topic. What? How is this optional? This is not optional. This is like fundamental basic stuff. The way that they have monetized this is just terrible. Lexical scope, that seems like it'd be pretty core to have JavaScript knowledge. Next up we have Mimo, this little robot face. So this is where it starts you off. Become a web developer. When you signed up for the app, it asks you what you wanted to do, and I put web developer, and then it brought me to the introduction, and it's 14 out of 14, and you just click through, and then you click the button and you click continue. So I'm really learning a lot. Wow. Yep, you just put those two variables in there and you get Elijah McCoy. Everything else on this entire application is just locked behind a pro plan. Please pay $9.99 a month to be able to do that, what we just did. Would you pay $9.99 a month, or would you just go subscribe to any other number of better stuff. Okay, so Mimo is terrible. Avoid Mimo at all costs. And then we have Grasshopper. So this was the weirdest kind of follow along code thing that I found. Kind of unclear what you do. And when I say kind of unclear, it's because I already know how to do it and I still have to remember how to do it. And then we need a draw box and then we need a blue. Oh, it's telling me what to do. Okay, so then now we have 2 lines. Wow, amazing. You need a new line, draw boxes with a string of, what would this be? BBB? So you see how unintuitive that was? This is just, next up we got Inky. Inky is actually pretty chill. They're like little daily problems that you do. So here's one for dictionaries. Go over here and click try it out. Print animals, and then we want to print the dog, so it would say pug, and then you click answer. Well done. You go over here to the right, there should be a little learn something already new, skip. I guess if you like this kind of learning. And then finally, we have the only decent mobile coding app that I could find, and that was Solo Learn. If you just get the main Solo Learn app, then you get something decent. I'm not paid by Solo Learn, I'm not sponsored by Solo Learn or anything. I should be for making this video, and Solo Learn has different courses that you can enroll in, web development, programming languages you can study up individually, data science, machine learning, SQL fundamentals. So it's kind of like an all-in-one app. So I did Python 3 jQuery. If I'll go to Python for you, basic concepts, started simple operations. So this entire thing is basically free, and you can see that they monetize their platform by putting Robinhood ads or just random ads that are bigger than the actual curriculum that you're learning. So if you can stomach that, if you can deal with that, which I don't really care. So they have this little course. I'll go to simple operations. And you can see that the questions have comments, and there's a lot of comments. Actually, the comments are pretty hilarious. So Solo Learn is like a whole social media app. It's got an activity feed, daily workout, daily teaser, daily motivation. Oh, it's got challenges you can do. Random opponent, followers, following.
We are on track to hit a 1.5% growth increase by the end of the quarter.
So this is how they monetize their app. I'm waiting for the opponent. So we're both doing this in real time, just kind of like racing each other. I guess Sabo Gabor is still watching the video that he got prompted to. They have an interview process thing on here. React Elements, NodeMon, what is cryptography? So it actually has like a little code editor that you can use if you come over here and click on the brackets. Then you click the plus symbol, press web. It'll open up HTML, CSS, JavaScript output for you. And then you could come in here and you could type hello, you go to the output and it says hello. That's neat. I wonder if we could do JavaScript. Oh, it has a little console at the bottom that says hello. You see what other people have built? Beautiful calculator. Okay, so who would do this on their phone? Oh, he does everything inline, it seems. Well, not bad at all. So that's just about it for the mobile apps. Solo Learn. Why is that so difficult? Solo Learn itself actually does have an online platform, but I think it's mostly known for its use on mobile devices. You can actually go to sololearn.com, you can sign up and you can learn on the web too, so it's actually pretty awesome there. But for mobile devices, out of all the ones I've checked, besides the Udemy, Coursera, all those types of just video along type apps like Netflix apps, Solo Learn is the best one. And I think the rest of them are just geared for kids. But the main question is, when would you do this on your phone? When do people have time to do it on their phone? Most people, maybe when you go to the bathroom or something, I don't know. I'm pretty sure most people just play like Boom Beach or Candy Crush or scroll through their Instagram feed. I don't think anyone's gonna be like, hold on, get that console log going. Like, the main thing that I see with learning code mobily is just the use case. When would you do it? I'm just not sure. And that's the question I have yet to figure out. This is just a quick note from the editor here, and that's still something I'm trying to figure out. Well, actually, I thought of a few reasons, right? So you're commuting, you don't have a laptop yet, you're saving up to get a new laptop, you just don't have the resources to do it, you might be at work in the break room and you want to keep your brain as in the zone as possible, kind of immersed in it as much as possible. So I did think of a few reasons as I was editing this video. I mean, it's not the most efficient and it's not the most sufficient, right? There's a lot more to learn than what you can do on your phone, but if you're just starting to learn and want to get into it, I think Solo Learn is a good resource and it has a code editor that you can actually practice with. I wouldn't limit yourself to just these. Again, I would still use the other resources like Udemy, Coursera, YouTube videos, but there are some use cases for it. It's just not the best, but I'm sure you guys out there are doing what you need to do, getting what you need to done, and you know, so that's what it comes down to. Okay, back to the video. Yeah, those are my thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that subscribe. Make sure you don't miss out on new videos. I post a new video every day. We're mixing it up a little bit these days. I have a Patreon. If you're interested in supporting some random guy on the internet, I would appreciate that. I also have my own website, grindreal.com. That's what this whole YouTube channel is about, the grind, the pursuance of greatness. This whole channel is me documenting the grind to get to success and hopefully to inspire you guys and help you guys improve your lives as well. Anyways, I don't know why I'm ranting. I just appreciate you guys and I appreciate you watching these videos. Much love, fam. I'll see you in the next one.